So now in this video, you will going to do the second day of 21-day SQL challenge. The today task, the where clause filter record based on the conditional returning only rows meets the your criteria. Basically, select column 1, column 2, and row from table name and where condition you have to use after this table name, and there is couple of operation that you have to be aware. The first one is comparison equals to, this one is not equals to, less than, greater than, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and there is one logical thing that you have to use in this uh, day two. The first one is and, or, and not, and patterns like, in, between. These are the key function or key operation that you have to use. Now let's see few example where age is greater than 60 and services is equals to cardiology. So this is the where clause. Before that you have to write the select statement like that, and after that you have the where clause, services equals to emergency or services equals to cardiology. So it is showing how you can implement the logical operation here. And here, in services, in, that means in means you have to include all the values. Just write the emergency, cardiology, and neurologies. Okay, these are the things you have to directly write, because you don't have to mention all the things again and again. Just if you use in, that means it will include all the values. Now there is some tips and tricks. Uh, that trick is avoid use whereas, like where A or services equals to B or services equals to. So in place of that, you can use the in. In, you can keep the bracket. In bracket, you have to write that function. Now, string needs single quotes, number don't. Suppose where age equals to 50, right? But correct where age equals to 50, because string means it stores some kind of alphabetical things or like that. But if it is in the number, you can write this way. But it is in the string, you have to use the that uh, like semicolon, or you can say like that this way. You have to write this way, and works but not ideal where Jones, but in place of Jones, correct where equals, now name equals to John. Error. Use parenthesis with mixed or and or to avoid the confusion. Where age equals to this one is uh, less than 18, or age equals to greater than 65, and services equals to emergency. That's it, the function. This way you can write the parenthesis, because it is showing the parenthesis because we are using or and two logical thing. So we have to separate it by bracket. Between include where age between 18 to 15, include both 18 and 15. Between means you have to take from 19 to 64, but include 18 to 65, you can take all the values. Using null is null, these are the things. And if you want further knowledge in this topic, so you can refer these videos as well. Now let's see the today's practice question. The first one is find all the patient admitted to the surgery services with the satisfactory scores below 70, showing the patient ID, name, age, and the satisfactory score. So for that, let's go to the our this SQL workbench. So now the question is find all the patient admitted to the surgery at services satisfaction below 70 degrees, showing their patient ID, name, age, and this one. So for that I wrote this query. The If the patient ID that I have to show in the column section, that patient ID, name, age, and the satisfaction as the satisfactory score. What it do, this S function, that's basically uh, change the column name. as this one. It refers in this particular name. And from this query, I have to use the where clause where satisfaction is less, if the satisfaction is greater than below 70, and services equals to surgery. Okay. Now, if you do change it, you will get the answer. Okay. The first one is find all the patients who are older than 60. Right. So for let's go to the this patient, and if you write this query, like the select state from the SQL and where age is less than the age is greater than 60. So if you run this one, you can see age is greater than 60. Now move to the next question. The next question is retrieve all the staff member who works in the emergency services. It is easy. Now for staff file, select star from the SQL and where the service equals to emergency. If you write this code, you can get the that particular value. Now after that one, let's move to the list all the weeks where more than 100 patients requested admission in a services. So these things, for that we have to go to the staff. No, wait. Okay, this is the part we have to go first. Select star from the SQL challenge service weekly where patient requested this is greater than 100. The patient requested must be greater than 100. So it is showing only this value. So this is the query that you have to write. Okay. So thank you.